All right, major warning signs here for SHIB, and we're talking about some good warning signs actually for the price. And we've got some really seasoned traders talking about the price of Shiba Inu and how the bottom could be in. So we're going to take you inside some of those thoughts. As you guys can see, I've already got it up on screen. The chart that we've been looking at and analyzing for a really long time. We looked at these mid sixes. Of course, we came back down to these levels back in June. We recently touched them not too long ago, actually, in October, came back down into the mid sixes, but have since bounced off these really nicely. And there are now a lot of indicators showing us, including my trading indicator, that the bottom is in. By the way, I think everybody should be using a trading indicator, especially as we get closer and closer to this next bull run. We need to know when to get in and when to get out. You should have a trading plan with every single crypto asset you own. If you want a reliable tool that's easy to use, XT Algo is linked down below for less than $1 a day. Basically just about $1 a day, you can get started. And by the way, it's basically like a free trial because at the end of 30 days, if you don't like it, full refund, no questions asked. 21% off, lifetime discount, limited time only. Use discount code X. Link to all of that is down below in the description, guys. Get started today and start getting yourself ready for this epic bull run. Now, back to the charts, because we have seen a momentum up signal indicator flash for us twice above this 6.5 level. We've been looking at this. It's a long level of support. We got to go all the way back to 2021, and we know that we hovered around here. I call it the dog days of summer back in 2021 before we had the blow off top where SHIB and many other altcoins hit all-time highs in October of 2021. This line is very crucial to watch, and we have bounced off it really nicely. Now, when we come over into X, we've got Scott Melker, the Wolf of Wall Street, somebody I really respect in the space. And this is what he had to say about Shiba Inu right now from a trader's perspective, guys. Bottom signals everywhere. I have been extensively testing trading alpha indicators. This is an indicator he must use. I don't know if this is actually his or not, but again, I've got my own too. I'm not saying go get mine or go get somebody's. Have a trading indicator. Mine is one of the cheapest out there you can find. Instead of 47, it's 37 a month. I'm not sure how much theirs is, but this shows you that everybody's using some type of tool. There's a stat out there, 85% of traders are using a trading indicator to perform their trades, right? So if you want to know ahead of this bull run when to get in, when to get out, use a trading indicator. This is why I've had mine built. So not only I can use it, but I want to share it with all of you. It is open, it's available, it's easy to use. You can go get it down there in the description. But he says this is showing the bottom B's, the clear switch to green dots, a move above the track line, and the big fat green arrow. Every bottom signals I can find. And you can see here, big time movement off of this level again recently that we had back in October. He says, I also shared this in the newsletter on Monday with my own chart. The idea is that it was recapturing the range lows and should easily move to the EQ dashed center line, okay? Easily move to this line right here, guys. He is calling SHIB to move to the 11.4 range. Traders, are you listening? SHIB Army, are you listening? Because this is very, very crucial. He's talking about this range right here. By the way, our momentum up indicator already flashed, okay? Already said this is a good price to get in at right here at the 7.5 level. If we get up to that 11 level, we're looking at a 50% move. Again, our momentum up indicator already said get in at the 7.5, okay? So if you were watching this, it's ready to roll. Momentum up has already flashed on the SHIB chart. This could be a massive opportunity both for short-term and long-term traders, guys. We are gearing up for, I think, a great move. So does Scott Melker. Melker thinks the same thing. He says right here, the idea is that we're recapturing the range lows, should easily move to the EQ, that dash line, that 11 center, that 11 line there in the center. It has since gone from 714 to 790, okay, already. Huge thanks to Zero Hedge, he says, for giving my newsletter subs free access. If you want to dig in more to the indicators, you can sign up here. And again, I've got my indicator too. I'm guessing mine's a lot cheaper. We went in at the cheapest price point we could possibly give to everybody out there. And again, $37 a month. That is literally like less than a coffee a day. Here's my coffee. It costs $3, right? So if you want to get started, try it out for a month. If you don't like it, no worries. full refund, no questions asked. But as we move closer and closer to this bull run, I'll remind you, 85% of people are using some type of trading indicator to help them know when to get in and when to get out. So that's great news for SHIB. We're going to be watching things very closely. Love to see it. I do think the bottom's in, and I think we're going to make a play here at that next line, right up there at that 11 level here, and we're going to see what happens next. No guarantees, of course, in crypto, but I love that Scott Melker and I are both on the same page here in terms of the charts and where we could be heading next. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Take care.